Most Bitcoin buying scams don't start with Bitcoin. They start with a message. You're trying to buy for the first time and a helpful direct message pops up. Support here. We can help you buy faster. That's the moment the trap is set. It's important to understand a core truth right away. Scammers don't beat the Bitcoin network. Its security is world-class. Instead, they beat people by using psychology, by creating pressure, faking trust, and manufacturing a sense of urgency. They don't hack code, they hack human nature. But you can defend yourself. There are 9 common traps that beginners fall into, and for each trap, there's a simple, powerful defense that stops scammers in their tracks. Let's walk through them. Trap 1. Fake exchanges and look-alike websites. You search for a popular Bitcoin exchange, and the top result, often a sponsored ad, looks perfect. You click, you sign up, you deposit funds, and they're gone. The website was a pixel-perfect clone designed to steal from you. The defense is simple. Type the exchange's web address yourself directly into your browser. Once you're on the correct site, bookmark it. From then on, only use your bookmark. Never trust ads or unsolicited links for any financial website. Trap 2 is similar. Fake wallet apps. You search the App Store and find a wallet that has a familiar logo and great reviews. You download it, transfer your Bitcoin in, and days later, the wallet is empty. It was a clone app designed to steal your funds after you trusted it. The defense here is just as specific. Only install a crypto wallet by using the official download link from the wallet's official website. Never search for it directly in the App Store.
Go to the source first and let them direct you to the genuine application. This brings us to Trap 3, fake customer support. You post a question on social media, and within seconds, you get a direct message. Support agent here, I can help. They seem knowledgeable, they're patient, and eventually, they'll ask for your seed phrase to synchronize your wallet. This leads to a life-saving rule. Nobody, ever, needs your 12 or 24-word seed phrase to help you. That phrase is the master key to your crypto vault. Sharing it is like handing a stranger the keys to your bank account, your house, and your car. Real support will never DM you first, and they will never ask for your seed phrase. Trap 4 is the verification payment. You're on a website and you try to withdraw your Bitcoin, but a message appears. Send a small amount to verify your account, or pay a fee to unlock withdrawals. This is a classic trick. The defense is to know that legitimate platforms do not require you to send them crypto in order to get your crypto back. Fees are taken from the transaction itself, not paid up front. If you have to pay to unlock your money, you're being scammed. Trap 5 happens in peer-to-peer marketplaces. A seller suggests you move the conversation to WhatsApp or Telegram for a faster deal. This is a huge red flag. The moment you leave the platform, you lose the platform's protection, specifically its escrow service. Escrow is what holds the Bitcoin safely until both sides of the deal are satisfied. The defense is a simple motto: escrow or no deal. If they refuse to transact on the platform using its official escrow service, you walk away. Trap 6 is the promise of guaranteed returns, often promoted by deepfake videos of celebrities. If they promise certainty, it's a trap. There are no guaranteed profits in any legitimate market. The defense is to mentally separate the act of buying Bitcoin from joining an investment scheme. Buying Bitcoin should feel like a simple purchase through a checkout.
If it starts to feel like you're joining a special program, a team, or a secret earning opportunity, you're in a scam. Trap 7 is the long con, the romance or wrong number scam. A stranger builds a friendly, often romantic relationship with you over weeks or months. Once trust is established, they introduce a special investment platform where they've made incredible profits. They'll guide you step by step, pressuring you to deposit more and more until they disappear with your funds. The defense is a hard rule. Never, ever buy or invest based on step-by-step instructions from a stranger you met online, no matter how trustworthy they seem. Trap 8 is cruel, the recovery scam. After you've been scammed and lost money, you become a target again. A new message arrives. We are recovery agents. We can get your crypto back for a fee. This is simply the original scammer, or another one, coming back for a second hit. The defense is to report the original crime to the authorities and preserve all your evidence. Do not pay anyone a recovery fee. They are lying. Finally, Trap 9, QR code and address tricks.
A so-called helper in a chat tells you to scan a QR code they send you, or to copy and paste a long string of characters, the Bitcoin address. You do, you send the funds, and they go straight to the scammer. The defense is about control. You must be the one who generates the receiving address from inside your own wallet. Always tap Receive in your own app to get your address. Never use one sent to you by someone else. Ultimately, the pattern becomes clear. If buying Bitcoin suddenly involves secrecy, a high degree of urgency, or a series of extra, unexpected payments, it's not a real purchase, it's a scam. Use official websites, install software from the source, never share your seed phrase, and keep transactions on platforms with escrow. Follow that workflow, and you will be miles safer than most.